In this video, we'll be revealing 20 beautiful destinations to visit in France. 1. Eiffel Tower, Paris, iconic landmark offering stunning views of the city skyline. 2. Mont Saint-Michel, Normandy, medieval abbey on rocky island, surrounded by tidal waters. 3. Palace of Versailles, Île-de-France, opulent palace with lavish gardens and rich history. 4. The French Riviera, glamorous Mediterranean coastline with stunning beaches and luxury resorts. 5. Château de Chambord, Loire Valley, magnificent Renaissance castle set amidst picturesque countryside. 6. Gorge du Verdon, Provence, Alpes, Côte d'Azur, spectacular canyon with breathtaking views and outdoor activities. 7. Bordeaux wine region, Nouvelle-Aquitaine, renowned wine-producing region with historic chateaux and tastings. 8. Lavender fields of Provence, picturesque landscapes blanketed with vibrant purple lavender fields in summer. 9. Alsace wine route, Grand Est, scenic route with charming villages and delicious wines to taste. 10. Annecy, Haute-Savoie, alpine town, known for pristine lake and stunning mountain scenery. 11. The Loire Valley Castles, collection of magnificent castles along the Loire River. 12. Corsica's Calanques de Piana, dramatic red rock cliffs along Corsica's coastline. 13. Sainte-Chapelle, Paris, exquisite medieval chapel with stunning stained glass windows. 14. Dune of Pilat, Aquitaine, tallest sand dune in Europe with panoramic ocean views. 15. The Louvre Museum, Paris, world-renowned art museum housing thousands of masterpieces. 16. Carcassonne, Occitanie, fortified medieval city with well-preserved ramparts and towers. 17. Étretat Cliffs, Normandy, majestic white chalk cliffs with natural arches and coastal views. 18. Pont du Gard, Occitanie, ancient Roman aqueduct bridge spanning the Dordogne River. 19. Saint-Tropez, French Riviera, glamorous seaside town with luxury yachts and vibrant nightlife. 20. Rocamadour, Occitanie, cliffside village with medieval architecture and pilgrimage site. These places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.